investors, a rising GDP signals growth, business thrive, jobs increase, and consumer spending rises. On the other hand, a slowdown may call for caution. Join us as financial expert Mr. Hari Haran breaks down the GDP trends. Investors can decide whether to focus on growth assets like stocks or opt for safer investments like bonds.
So when we look at GDP, the full form is gross domestic product. The key element is domestic. What do I mean by domestic? It means it essentially measures the output of the economy. What is the output in the economy? And importantly, what is manufactured in the economy? That is the importance of the word domestic. What is manufactured in India will get calculated and used for GDP calculation. So for example, if Tata Motors manufactures a car in India, that will get captured in India's GDP. If Tata Motors makes a car in US, it will not be captured in India's GDP, despite the fact that it's an Indian company. Similarly, when Pepsi or Coca-Cola manufactures a Pepsi or a Coke in India, it's a multinational company, but the manufacturing is happening in India, that will get captured in India's GDP.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.